Ubi Pandesal. Ito, ready na to. Gawa tayo guys. So, ready na ang ubi pandesal ko. Ubi pandesal. Ubi pandesal ready to bake. See you later, alligator. So this is first, ang unang haon, pandesal, ubi pandesal. So this one is the next batch to bake, and they're still baking. So I'm excited. My pandesal, ubi pandesal guys. Oh, my ubi pandesal in the truck. This is my homemade ubi pandesal inside the truck. It's ubi cheese pandesal guys. Look, the cheese pandesal. This is my ubi cheese pandesal in the truck. So let's try guys if it's good. Sarap. Sarap ipares ng kape. Try nyo din guys. It's good. Ito ay yung finished product. Very good. Thank you, Marlena Chelson. Salamat guys. Like ko dito kasi pwede dito bukas, other day, next day. Meron pa kasing nakasalang dito last batch, so ilagay ko. Oh, it's all done. So this is my ubi pandesal. So I'm a humana done. Thank you. It's done.